Hi, welcome, Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing the battery as well as the M.2 on this HP laptop. First, let's identify the model. If you take a look at the back of the computer here, the very fine print it says HP Envy X360 I'll be using a Torque T5. This is a T5 screwdriver. Let's remove the screw here. There are 2 screws on the top and 2 screws at the bottom. Next step is to go ahead and pry it open. I'll be using a metal prying tool to get enough opening, and the rest of it I'll be using a plastic prying tool to run it across the gap. Alright, here you can identify the battery is right at the bottom, right underneath the trackpad, and the hard drive M.2 is right at the right side on here, the bottom right. So first of all, disconnect the battery by sliding down the connector towards your body. Get a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws. Once you have all the screws removed, go ahead and lift up the battery, and you can replace it by looking for this model here. So the model for the battery is WE04XL. If you're not sure where to buy the battery, check the link down description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find a replacement battery. Now, a good battery should be flat. As you can see that the battery is not swollen. The battery is absolutely flat to its surface. Now, if your battery is swollen or the battery is not holding the charge, more likely you need a new battery. There's one indicator that identifies why the clicker is not working. If you notice that your touchpad, the clicker is not clickable, then more likely because of the battery is swollen and is pushing out from the inside out. So if the battery is swollen from the back, it will push us out the trackpad. The next step is to go ahead and remove the hard drive. This is the M.2 solid state drive. You may find it a little bit hard to remove because the thermal pad, it may be sticky onto the M.2 drive. So to remove the bracket, just simply and gently lift it up and let the the thermal pad separate on its own. Remove the Phillips screw and slide it out towards your body. So remove it this way. Now, for those of you who wants to upgrade to a larger M.2 drive, you can go ahead and get 1 terabyte or maybe a 2 terabyte, a larger drive, and insert into the computer. The computer does not have a secondary storage. The only thing is only 1 hard drive slot is available. So the original computer runs on 512 gigabytes. If you run out of space and you need more space. Nowadays the games are really large, so what you need to do is to get one of these terabyte, install into the computer, get yourself a OEM Windows 11 installation boot media, or you can download it from Microsoft website. And I just want to point it out to you, for those of you who are interested to recover the data. So once you remove the M.2 drive, you can get one of these USB adapter that reads the M.2 SSD drive, and you hook it up to a new computer. This acts like a thumb drive where you can go in and recover the data off of your M.2 drive. Okay, so just want to point that out to you, the things that you need for the repair. Please check the link down description below. And if you do find this video is helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button for me. I really appreciate you for doing that. And do not forget to subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate you for supporting the channel. Wish you all the best. Bye now.